that one over there, so let's see if we can.
Oh no, let's leave it there. Let's leave it there. Everyone will put their stuff on that.
Are those your sausages?
Yes. Still not entirely convinced about this douse everything in beer thing.
Well, you put some beer on it.
I'm beating down the flames. If the flames start up, it'll burn the outside without cooking through. So we want to make sure that
The beer.
Nope.
No, you won't.
Unfortunately, yeah, you were looking forward to that, weren't you? No. Okay.
I don't know.
Here you go. Here, this one.
Mm-hmm.